I had these manifestations that things were going to go well, they were going to go amazingly. I was going to purchase or get in the container with my business coach, pay for it. I was going to make 12K months, clean my hands off. Everything's going to be great. Until I realized that after making that investment that I felt so lost, unworthy, stuck, and just so scared, so limited. And after seeing you on social media and seeing what resonated, I thought, okay, there's some deeper belief systems that are keeping me stuck. And yeah, I had money. I had lots and lots of money, but I felt so unsafe with it. I had no idea how I was going to go. And I just felt like I was surviving. Yeah. I had
Mhm.
more money, I had more safety, you can put it. But my mental state and psychological state, emotional state, I was struggling.
What would you say was some of the biggest challenges that you faced before starting to work together?
Leading in my relationship, a
Mm.
lot of toxic mannerisms, lack of accountability in my with my partner. I'm looking back at it now and I thought, holy shit, what a boy. Love him, but yeah, he acted like a boy. I couldn't stand to look at my bank account. I could spend it, tap the card, happy days, but I couldn't face. It was so scary to look at bills, look at expenses, to be able to actually take them on board and deal with them. One of the things before we started was that oh, I had to drop my ego for this, but thinking that breathwork alone would fix everything, I learned to regulate, but didn't learn to sit with what it was that I was actually not regulating from, avoiding.
Mhm.
So yeah, I ran from emotions. I ran and avoided and try and breathe my way out of feeling bad, but in reality, I was. And just on a call recently, I have to add in I taught the same framework to my friend. But yeah, learning to sit in my emotions, sit in my feelings, has helped me grow so much in the container. But yeah, there was a lot of avoidance.
Like, what did success kind of look like for you?
Being a man in my relationship, um, being growing and building a business that was in aligned action, growing and building a business that felt pure and that didn't feel forced. Yeah, building a life that came from pure authenticity, being able to lead in my business, in my relationship, just from a place of love and not force, not wanting to make money from a place of shame or guilt. Um, that was the main thing, being able to, yeah, show up in those aspects
How do you think that we helped you achieve that success?
massively. Um, I feel, I just feel safe in knowing that no matter what step I take, no matter what adversity I'm dealt with, that I have got it sorted. And that was nothing that I felt ever before in my life. Even when I had the money and I had the superficial businesses, I had no safety in my life. I felt so like stuck and unworthy. And yeah, even going through the past month, one of the hardest months of my life, this feeling of clarity, feeling of safety, feeling of like I've got this, like it's cool. Helped massively, yeah. I think I spent my whole life feeling unworthy, feeling fearful, not feeling ever feeling it was enough, but yeah, I feel great.
Now, what are the results that you noticeably feel and see within yourself as a man, as a leader?
Being able to start my business properly, having the confidence to take action. I'm now building, running events. Um, I yeah, I have such a huge desire for the future. Um, my relationship with my parents is after our last session. The that feeling between Dad and I is gone.
Wow.
He's shown up as a father a lot more as well. Our relationship with Mum is different. Yeah, my relationship with money is much better as well. Confidence behind it is definitely there. There's no more fear around it, and just knowing that this year it's really going to grow. I have full faith behind that. Um, in terms of my relationship, obviously having a lot of clarity and understanding of what it is that I needed to change in myself and needed to drop, and to be able to have a healthy relationship was, yeah, that was a big thing. So a lot of dropping my ego as well, but I think it was more so feeling safe to do so, relieving the shame of I I had all of these expectations last year, and I held on to those, and I never let them go because I felt shameful that I was doing the wrong thing, or that everyone told me so, or however you want to put it. But yeah, really not feeling shameful in my life anymore. That's probably one of the biggest things because, yeah,
What was your favorite part of the last 6 months?
there are a lot. Is being able to face myself. Yeah, I
Mm.
avoided so much my whole life, and just really learning to face myself is the biggest thing. There's so much growth from that, and that's a reflection of, yeah, clearing out all of the shit that I was holding on to, all of the programs, all of the conditionings. Yeah, facing myself. It sucked. It sucked, but in a very amazing, beautiful way, in the way that most people avoid it. It's probably one of the things we should be doing. Yeah, sitting with yourself. The actual program itself, how effortless it felt.
Mm.
How literally how effortless. There's no forcing, there's no 30-step to-do lists, there's no like grinding yourself into the ground. Honestly, the matter of just um, sitting in a session, releasing what I have to release, taking action, doing a little bit of tapping, some Psych K, like you don't have to do like there's a lot of work, there's a lot of emotional work, but in terms of the physical load that a lot of courses and mentors put you under, it's next to nothing. I feel like there wasn't stress around the course, or like, yeah, it felt effortless.
If anyone was to come in and wanting to achieve the same results that you've achieved, what was one thing that you would give them advice on?
Trust it. Trust every bit of it. Learned this from you a couple of weeks ago. Disattach. Disattach from the expectation of what it's meant to look like, of what you think all this hard work is going to be. Just trust it. Do it. Do the simple little things. Do the woo woo stuff. Do the manifestations. Do the tapping. Do the weird shit. Straight up, it works.
Love that.
I love it.
What
Yeah.
would you say to someone if they were feeling hesitant about doing this work in this program?
Um, what I'd tell someone if they were hesitant to do this work would be, this is what I learned in the course, to anchor into your body, to
Mm.
ask your body what it needs to breathe, and allow your body to speak, not the conscious mind. Because, yeah, consciously we're trying to keep ourselves safe. We're trying to think of rationality. We're trying to be rational from the conscious mind. But when you ask your body what it actually needs, it will tell you. It will be able to express itself. And when you listen to your body, it gives you the true answers that it needs, not what it thinks it needs.
Love that. Such pure wisdom there. Kirk, if there's anyone interested in connecting with you, how then can they find you?
On Instagram, KM Body is my Instagram channel. That's all I've got for now. That's where I do everything.
Is there anything last words you'd love to share?
I am just grateful for this new perspective on life. I'm grateful for this clear mind, for clarity. I'm grateful for you, for the support. I am so happy that I'm living in alignment with the life that I want to live. It was much easier having you there as support and quantum leaping me how many years into the future, because yeah, it would have been a lot of heartache, a lot of pain, a lot of difficult learnings over how many years that this 6 months just fast tracked me past so much therapy, so much bullshit, so many breakups, so many financial problems. So I'm just grateful that, yeah, well, grateful in myself that I trusted that this would be it. Yeah, grateful. Gratitude.
I'm so excited to see what you uncover more next in your events and how you show up as a leader as well in breathwork. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.